It was a raining day when the American woman and her husband arrived at the vacation resort.
Oh no, how come it's raining?
Maybe it's a rainy season vacuum.
What would you like to eat? I will go out to buy something.
Whatever, I just want to sleep.
The American woman, about to leave the hotel, accidentally bumped into the hotel owner.
Oh, are you okay?
I'm fine, thank you. It's red outside, so you have an umbrella. Oh, I left it in the room. No problem, take mine. I don't want to get caught in a heavy rain later. That's kind of cute.
As the American woman buys food on the street, she noticed a stray cat seeking shelter from the rain.
Oh, poor thing. How did you end up here? I wish I could take you home, but my husband would never agree. Goodbye, cute kitty.
The American woman's interactions with the cat catch the owner's attention.
I'm a cat. I will take you in for her. I'm so sorry. Here is the umbrella.
It's okay.
Returning to the room, the American woman finds her husband is still asleep.
I bought the food. Do you want some?
Just shut your fucking mouth. Don't you see that I'm asleep?
Fine.
American woman eating food once again lost in meditation.
Why is my marriage so unhappy? I want sweetness and happiness too.
In the following days, the couple barely leaves the vacation resort, and the atmosphere remains cold. Eventually, the husband's indifference pushed the American woman to make a life-changing decision.
I have enough. I want divorce.
After the divorce, the American woman moves out alone. Days later, on her birthday, the American woman suggests going out, but her ex-husband remains uninterested. The next day, after the divorce proceedings, the American woman returns to the vacation resort alone.
Long time no see. Are you here alone? Where is your husband?
Well, we divorced. I come here to relax.
Oh, I see. No worries. Since you are here, let's relax together. How about a stroll? That's a new cake in town shop. That's good.
The owner and the American woman enjoy cake and share their experience, creating a joyful atmosphere.
This cake is delicious. Oh, sorry. I'm a bit clumsy.
It's okay. You look good like this. I like you.
The owner and American woman walk back to the resort together.
Wait here for a moment. I have something for you.
Oh, sure. Oh, my, it's that cat. How did it get here?
When I saw how much you like it, I brought it here. I've always liked you. Knowing that you have divorced makes me happy because now I can openly express my feelings for you. Don't worry, I will chase and care for you. Will you give me a chance?
So, you have feelings for me too. When I first meet you, I felt something as well. I just hid my feelings because I was married. But now, I can express them freely. I want to give this a try.
In the end, The American woman moves in with the owner, and they live happily ever after.